Ha, ha, ha. It's tool time giveaway again. Yes, I want to give away this drill. It's an 18-volt Ryobi. Let's take a quick look at this. You don't see cases like this anymore. This was my personal and is my personal Ryobi. Okay, 18 volt, and it comes with 2 batteries. Funny thing is, one of the batteries does not work anymore. And my battery charger doesn't fit in the pocket where the old battery charger used to fit. What did I have to do? I had to buy a new battery charger to work these types of batteries. And that's one of the things, one of the reasons why I'm giving this away, but why else am I giving this away? Okay, Ryobi 18 volt. This sucker works really good. You need an 18 volt, okay? And it's really geared properly, it's balanced properly. You can set it down like that. There's a magnet here to hold different things. There's also a couple up here. There's even a level up there, high, low, medium. And then there's a screw action here too. You can take this chuck. Actually, did you know this? You can turn this. This goes up to 24 and then screw. Okay? I can hold this here. Hear that? Hear that chuck go? Now I can make it tighter. Now it's tighter. Or I can make it all the way to screw. And usually I do it right before that. And that's how that works. I bet you never knew that before. Okay, and the flashlight. This flashlight works good. You can set that down. You can twist this up and all that. Like I said, this battery doesn't work, but I leave it in here anyways to remind me I need to get another battery. But I don't now because I'm giving this away, and if you're the lucky winner, you can buy yourself a battery. You can buy a 2-pack, keep one, and then when this battery goes out, you've got another 2-pack. Okay? You can do something like that. And the battery charger is almost brand spanking new. And if you're lucky, I might give you all my little accessory drill bits, and I've even got a reamer bit in here, and I've got some other little knickknacks in there. I think I might give that away too. I'm not quite sure yet. This could be yours if you're the lucky winner. How do you win this? All you have to be is a subscriber of mine. YouTube channel, Video Joe Knows. And this sucker could be yours. Okay? Subscribe, tell me, hey Joe, I want your old Ryobi drill combination, and it can be yours. If you're the lucky winner. Hey, and if you want this, tell me. Don't lollygag around thinking it's going to be forever before I give this tool away. Okay, this tool combination. Because I'm here in Maui, and I'm only going to be here for a couple more weeks, and I want to send this to the lucky winner before I go back to the mainland. Okay? Send me a comment and join this tool contest. I hope you're the winner. Okay, 8 contestants. Do I have 8 pieces here? A little paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm ready to do this. Get the camera set up. And I think I'm not even going to shut the camera off. I'm going to set the camera kind of how I did before. Right here. And hopefully you can see each one drop. And I'm going to climb up there. You're not going to see me drop them, but I'm going to try to be as fair as I can. Because I'd like to actually hit the box is what I'd like to do. On the last one, I actually did hit the box. It didn't land on the box, but it hit the side. But it's just going to be whoever is the closest to the box. Okay? I'm getting ready for the first one. Skinny Lee. Okay, here we go. Oh. James New Droid. Here's your chance, James. I'll try my best here. Oh. You know, those look far away, but hopefully we'll get something closer. If not, one of them could be winning. Sandra Smith. Let's see what I can do here. Oh. Aaron Christensen. Here's your chance. Oh, way off. Do you see that? How it kind of petered out over there? I Perdomo. Everybody gets the same kind of chance here. You never know how these pieces of paper are going to fly. Oh, that one's kind of close. Linda Glenn. Here comes. Nope, way off. Mackles looking. Here comes. Oh! It hit the box. Did you see that? Okay, we only have one left here. Evan Julian. Gonna try here. Here we go. Ah! Those last two were the closest. Well, I think we know who the winner is, but I'm going to come down here anyways, pick up that one, and show you on the camera. See that one there? Wow, that one was pretty close too. That's close. Okay, take this one to the camera. It's Makkls looking. Mackles looking. You are the winner. All right. Hey, send me a comment and I'll actually be sending you something, and I'm going to have to get your mailing address so I can ship you the drill and flashlight combo. Hey, everybody else, thanks for being part of this contest. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.